Alright, welcome back to this video, and we're going to do a really quick video here, and we're going to talk about ordering. Oh, forgot to turn off my AC. I apologize. So I understand if you don't want to like, comment, and subscribe, but I ask that you do, even though I forget to turn off my AC, and lots of other offenses that I have, like saying 100 times in a row. So let's get going with that. Alright. So I'm going to switch over to my screen here, and let's just make sure our server is up and running. Mine is up and running, so I'm going to go ahead and connect to MySql by typing in opt lamp bin MySql-u root, and then we're going to go ahead and use our database, so use db. And now you can see that I've changed into that database, and any commands that I type will affect this database. Alright, so now that we're here, let's just do a select star from users, just to print to the screen here our entire data set. And you can see that these are ordered by the ID. If you look at this ID, they are ascending. Sometimes you may want to get the newest ones first and the oldest ones last. And so one way that we can do that is inside of our select statement, we could say select all from users. And then we can actually do an order by. Now by default, this is going to be ID ascending. Okay, so this is going to give us the same exact results that we had before, but we could actually change that. Instead of doing ascending, we can do descending, so D-E-S-C. And what that's going to do is give us the list back, but now you notice that these are opposite, so that it starts with the newest, which is ID 7, and goes down to 1. So this is a descending order. So we can order by the ID, and we don't have to. We can actually order by our names as well. So we could say select star from users order by, and then we can order by L name, and then we could do ascending. Now we can either type ascending, or we can leave that off, as that is the default deal. So now you can see that these IDs are all out of order, but the last names, we have the does first and then the parhams. So now our result set is ordered by the last name. Now we could do the same thing, but let's say we wanted to order by the last name and then also order by the first name. Well, we can do a comma and do F name like that. And now you can see that these are still ordered primarily by the last name. So you have Doe and then Parham, but then also they are ordered again by the first name after that. So then we have Jane and then John and then Benjamin, Curtis, Jules. So now the Parhams are in order by first name, and the Does are in order by first name as well. So that's how we can order by, last name and then first name. And so you can see that these IDs are really out of order now, but these result sets, if I were going to print like a list of my stuff to the screen, I'd want them ordered by some sort of logical ordering, and that is what order by allows us to do. Now, of course, we can order by any one of our columns, and we can actually do a combination thereof. But yeah, so that's order by, and you can do, let's go ahead and just show really quick, you can actually mix these to where you can do order by last name descending, but then we could do first name ascending like this. And now you can see that Parhams are above the Does, but they're still ordered alphabetically ascending on the first names. So you can mix the descending and ascending with these as well by this, and then you have a comma, and then you tell it what column, and then whether it's ascending or descending. Now, like I said, by default, it is ascending, so you don't have to specify that unless you're doing some mix some mix or something like that. It may be better to specify. So that's order by, and just, like I said, this is just a quick video because I wanted to show you how we can order our result set by using the order by statement. All right, guys. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video, we're going to talk about pagination. All right, later. So go ahead and exit out of our MySql prompt there, and then I'm going to go ahead and stop my server. And there we go. It stops all that, and then I can clear this, and we're ready for the next video. See you there.